When me come, no woman no ask me nothing. And when me say that, I don't know what me mean. One of the most favorite quotes, one of the tagline, one of the slogans that females have. You come already? You come already? You come already? How the ras you mean if me come already? When me come. Full time now women stop laugh after man when them come early. Because as far as I see it, when me come, me just ras come. There is no coming late, no coming early. There is just coming. For some man, a 1 minute. For some man, a half hour. For me come when me come. And if a 1 minute after me put me tutus in the tun, me quite fine with that. If a 9.5 yet, if a 9.69 second after me going at the tun, when me come. And me happy with it. I call me no worthless boy. When me come. Call me no 1 minute man. When me come. Now call me no Mr. Quickie. When me come. Ladies, me talk to. Stop laugh after the man them and talk about how them pop down and come quick. Stop laugh after a man's shortcomings, because truth is, we feel laugh after uno. For uno no comings. Like seriously. How you fi can't come? How you fi can't come? Me not understand how you can't come. I will feel laugh after uno and I call on the names. Never come. Take donkey years for come. Can't come. Nah come. No come. I don't have the nerve for come laugh after man. Because me come and come when me fi come. A man supposed to laugh after uno with a handicap pum pum. A handicap pum pum you have. Some now wear some panty with all kind of shit on it and hype up on a pum pum. Slippery when wet. Taste my sweet bubble gum. And all this shit. How about you wear some panties that actually tell the truth about on a pum pum? Instead of slippery when wet, how about can't get wet? Instead of taste my sweet bubble gum, how about take long fi come? Can't come, nah come. Or just get a handicap sign put right on the front of your pants. Give a man some heads up, no pun intended, that your pum pum not function well. It's slightly handicapped, it's retarded. Can't come. Oh, you fi can't come. And I laugh after me when me come quick. Go and go fix your handicap pum pum. Can't come pum pum. We were not given a manual for our penises. Alright? There is nothing in writing that says come after 30 minutes. So as far as we know, it is supposed to get hard. We put it in the tun dugu couple time and come. Not soon, not late, just come when we come. One of the main objectives of sex is to have an orgasm. Am I right?
So how the hell females get mad at us when we come?
Huh?
Bitch?
Who gives a shit how long it take me to come? When me come. From the beginning of time when man first discovered he could come. Every time after that, the objective, the mission was to get some pums, come. It became embedded in our DNA. When you get little pums, when you get little tun, come. No time span never did encode in a them instruction there. After 10 minutes, you should come. After 30 minutes, you should have a climax. Instead, what I'm writing there was, come when your ass come. Another thing I can bet back in the days, women could come much more easier than some of you women nowadays. One stroke, and she come. She just come. I mean, you still have a few of those women around, you know. Big up them girl who can come and come when them feel like. The man just go in at the nanny and shake. Him never stroke. Him just shake. And them just come. No stress, no problem. Them just come. Them come all 1 dozen time in a 1 minute. So if them man pop after that, the 1 minute there, them nice. Skeet. You don't care too much fuck grip on the mind going at the bedroom. You don't have too much shit on the head. When we men are going at the bedroom, we know exactly where we are going for. Get some pums, come. We know that before we even know where we are get the next pum. Get some pums, come. You don't need to stop bring all that shit on the mind going at the bedroom. Stop worry about which hairstyle, which nails for wear, which shoes, which handbag go with what, which lipstick, which dress you go wear tomorrow. Bitch, tomorrow ain't even come yet. Why you have it on your head? Huh? Take that shit off your mind. Them say a woman know within the first 7 seconds of meeting a guy if she will give him the pum pum or not. You see, when you figure out if you're gonna give the man in the pum pum within the first 7 seconds of meeting him, from that very moment, Clear your mind. Start focus on coming. Yeah man, start focus all the energy on coming. So that the slightest touch, the slightest breeze blow past your pum pum, you come. Coming. Like everything we human beings do has a mental part to it. You see, if I may have the mental part down, the physical side of it, it lack. Clear your minds. Close your eyes and think. Skeet, 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 skeet. Come. Close your eyes with me. Close your eyes with me. Come. Ah, skeet, 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 skeet. Ah, skeet, 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 skeet. Ah, skeet, skeet. Skeet, skeet, skeet. Some of the woman love play stubborn like donkeys. All if we call you 1 million times, some of them still can't come. Nah go come. When you know a lose correction, when you not give up the virginity and it has been accepted. Most of you this all you say.
Can't come already. You're not come yet. You're not come yet.
Just cool, man. Just cool, man. Relax, man. Relax, man. Relax. Me soon come.
But after the virginity gone now, on the favorite slogan turning up.
You come already.
Make up your mind. Make up your goddamn mind. Or allow me make my ras come.
When me come, me just ras come.
Ah! Skeet, 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 skeet. Subscribe and share. Like my Facebook fan page. Follow me on Twitter at Kevin2Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve it.
Oh, Lydia. Yes,